guys, here's another video. Now, I remember when me and my friend used to not dodge or shield like a lot of us in school until we actually stopped being scrubs and got good. Hit him with the tree. But seriously, we used to think like Villager was one of the most broken characters. He still is very strong, but he actually takes skill. Well, every character takes skill, to be honest. Even Lucario, I will say, despite him getting broken amounts of damage. That was funny. He almost killed me there. I was surprised he didn't get me. I finally died. You may be wondering, how the hell did I win this? Because this Captain Falcon was kicking my ass. No Falcon kick. Falcon that, bitch. I tried to catch him with that. So I got him with that. There we go. Oh! I like to say that every time I kill someone with a bowling ball. He almost scumbagged me. Hehehe. Ooh, get comboed, boy. This is where I made my comeback. Ooh. I caught him that time. Get wrecked by the tree. Game. I think he tried to roll, but yeah, it didn't work. He either took too long or just like choked or something. Damn, what a comeback. He had me on my second life when he had 60%. I just fucked him up after that. The Villager is an evil, evil spirit. But I hope you enjoyed that. That tree puts in work, though. Mother Nature for the win. Killing people because we're killing her. Well, peace.